Robin's in the zone, working till it's right. Fresh lines, clean design, cash flow in sight.
Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Robin. I'm a full stack developer making videos about technology and business. Today, we're talking about developer starter kits, especially the Next.js starter kits. So let's get started. So, on my first video, I spoke about Next.js being something like do-it-yourself gaming PC with modular components to choose from. There are plenty, but you have to make a decision. Whereas Laravel could be something like a Dell PC, which is pre-installed. Everything is pre-installed. They just ship the whole PC to you. All right? And this is exactly what a starter kit does. Simply put, a starter kit is a collection of essential tools, add-ons, and resources designed to help developers to ship web apps faster. And why should you consider a developer starter kit? Well, there are several benefits. For one, they provide a structured learning path, helping you to learn the basics quickly and easily. For example, that's how I learned front-end design, by just mimicking those Tailwind components. But they also include some pre-configured tools and packages, saving you time and money. Plus, they're a great way to try out different programming languages and frameworks without fully committing. But yeah, let's look at some examples. All right, I have two examples here. I'm sure that there are plenty of more, but this two just came up to my mind. But yeah, let's take a look. We have databases here, storage, mailing, and we got backend and API components, as well as frontend. And if we take a look at this, what we have here, and this is what I mean by JavaScript being modular. Everything here could be a separate component or package, or just separate NPM package. So you have to maintain them and keep updating them. This is a very traditional starter kit. But the thing is, it costs $2.99 for somebody to just put up together and pre-install them to you. And yeah, there's another one is pretty famous or popular, which shipped fast by a YouTuber called Mark. And the funny thing about this is everything here, the marketing text, ship your startups in days, not weeks. And if you replace this Next.js with Laravel, it is completely the same thing. They're basically selling you exactly the same thing that Laravel ecosystem has been pretty much giving out for free. And if you look at all of this, supercharge your apps instantly and launch faster. That's completely Laravel philosophy. So it's kind of funny that JavaScript ecosystem has taken the Rails and Laravel philosophy into their ecosystem. And this is what I was talking about on my last video. The problem with JavaScript ecosystem is that everything becomes a startup. I mean, there's nothing wrong with making money, but I think for a framework, for example, there's some things that should not be paid, like a luxury. For example, an authentication. But anyway, there is a Laravel and Next.js starter kit, which I like to show you, that is free. So let me show you how easy to get started with Laravel, all right? Completely from nothing. Here we have Laravel Herd. You download this and it will install PHP, Node, and everything you need to get started locally on your computer. Okay, download this and I'll be right back. All right, once you have installed Herd, this is what you see, and you just add where you have three options: no starter kits, Laravel Breeze, or Jetstream. In this video, we're gonna go for Breeze for Next.js starter kit, and I'm gonna name it Next, and API only, and here we go. While we're waiting for this to finish, I'm gonna show you something. Here is the GitHub repo for the Next Breeze, and this is a Next.js project which is pretty well maintained. Oh, sorry. It is just turned to app router. So this year it was turned to app router, so you may start using this straight away. So I'm gonna clone this on my computer, and I'll be right back. All right, and the installation is complete, and if we open in the browser, you can see the API is working. Cool, but we need to open this on a VS Code. Let's see if it works. All right, this is the Laravel project in VS Code, and two most important things you need to take a look at. And here we have authentication route, where everything is pre-installed for Next.js. And another file you need to take a look at is the env file. You need to make sure that this is working on the localhost. The Laravel spins the server at 8,000 at the port 8,000, and as you may know, Next.js does it in 3,000. All right. Next, I'm gonna install clone the Next.js Breeze project. Now I've installed the Next folder here. So it is two separate repos, but you can see that here we have a Next.js application where you have pre-installed hooks for authentication. And anyway, next I'm gonna spin up the web server by calling the PHP artisan serve. And I also need to spin up another. And we do npm install. All right, it's installed now, so we just do npm run dev. We got the local host server. All right, we got the Laravel application on Next.js. Cool. Now we can register. Just a moment. All right, I forgot to mention something. Before we spin up the Next.js web server, we need to add an env file here, which is next public backend. And once this is set up, we can go to npm run dev. All right, I did the registration, and let's log in. Boom, we are in. And this is how easy it is to get started with Laravel and Next.js. It shouldn't be complicated. This is what I also mean when I say that maybe I'm just spoiled for being a Laravel developer. And now you can access to all the Laravel features: mail, authentication, storage, incredible ORM, and so much more. And yeah, this is all free, and you definitely shouldn't pay $300 for a starter kit when you can get something started pretty quickly. And yeah, now you can see it yourself. That's about it for today's video. If you made it to the end, please like the video. And if you like my content, subscribe for more content. And yeah, see you on the next video. All right? Bye.